Alright, good evening and welcome to Fish and Junk. Oops. Alright, let's try this again. Good evening and welcome to CRAY-Z. Today's episode, we're going to do a review. So stay tuned for this episode of CRAY-Z. Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing the review on the Propel Maximum X20 Micro Drone. Now, if you remember correctly, I've done reviews on similar. I've done a review on the X01. Come on, zoom in. There you go. I've done reviews on X01 and then the Propel Air. I can't remember what it's called, but by Propel, the same company. It just says Air. I can't remember what exactly it's called, but anyways, this is like the knockoff version of this or something, or maybe the next version of it. I'm not sure where they went with it, but I can use the same controller on both. Now this is my shelf model. It's red. I love red, so I don't take it out of the box. It's too pretty to fly. So we're going to compare the two, see if there's any changes. See if there's been any changes made since the X01. Let's see here. They both are next to each other. It says skill level easy, skill level beginner, unlimited replacement parts. Let's see what we got over here. New air pressure sensor system locks altitude in mid-air. Unlimited replacement parts for a year. We got 6-axis gyro, 360 stunt rolls, 3 speed settings, controller inside. It says the same thing right there. Let's see the back, if there's anything different on the back. Basically the same. Okay, so here's what you get inside, guys. You get one little nano drone here. Here's your instructions, your instruction manual. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, having problems, join the flight club. Same exact stuff as the other Propel nanos. You get your USB plug charger, screwdriver, extra set of props, which come in handy because these nanos go through them like crazy, which I still have the other ones, so I got props for days. Now, one thing I did notice is, here's the original controller for the Propel X01. Well, this is for the other one, but this flies both the X01 and the Air. Here's what this looks like. Now, this one, in order to do stunts, you had to click this button down and then flick it in the direction you wanted it to loop. And this new style controller, it looks like there is a stunt button that you click instead of clicking the controller. So here's your trims, there's your on and off switch, there's your speed button. Oh, not sure what that is. Maybe that's land, or I'll have to look it up in the directions. Okay guys, just a quick note, that button right there is the auto start and land, and the controller takes 2 AAA batteries and it takes 30 minutes to charge, it says. Alright guys, so today we're testing out this Propel nano drone. A lot of you guys know, if you've been with the channel, what the heck is going on? There you go. If you guys have been with the channel, you guys know. Here we go. I like these nano drones. Okay, there you go. The button is auto takeoff. Okay, this is first gear. Why is the lights blinking? Okay, they stopped. Must be because when you take off, it does that. Yeah, I don't like granny gear. Let's take it up a notch.
It's really quiet. Wow. Okay, there's second gear. Oh yeah, look at the pitch on that. Alright, let's see, third gear. Nice. Wow. Turns right on a dime. Alright, let's see. It's drifting back a little bit. There you go. See what kind of tricks it does. Not too bad. Let's do a flyby. See how fast it goes. That's awesome. Check that out. There you go. J. Jones special. Look at that funnel. It's a pretty fast funnel. Holy cow. Wow, I like this a lot. I'm going to tell you guys right now. I like this a lot. It's very responsive. Wow. The sticks are very sensitive. Yeah, if you guys have been watching, you guys know I love these nano drones. My first one was one of the Sky Vipers, the Sky Viper nano drone. I liked it so much I got another one. I still have them. They don't last very long anymore, but I flew the crap out of them. When I first started flying, that's what I was learning to fly on. A couple Sky Vipers and Sky Viper Nano. Wow, that thing is doing awesome. I love it. I'm loving it. I think this is going to be my new favorite Nano. Propel is doing an amazing job lately. Just to let everybody know with their drones. There's another one coming out I want to test out. It's the X04. It looks kind of similar to the X03, which I did a review on, but it has a camera. I'm guessing a Wi-Fi camera. So I definitely got to grab that and do a review on it. See how Propel's cameras are. Yeah, Propel has been impressing me lately with these new drones. Not so much at first, but wow, this is flying. It's got a decent fly time on it. I remember when I first started, I got so frustrated trying to fly these because I couldn't tell what it was doing and I couldn't trim it out because I didn't know how, and it drove me nuts. Yeah, even as small as these are, I still got like the original props that came with the very first one that I bought like this. Even though they've been crashed and bent, I just kind of bend them back and they still work. Like I said earlier, the one thing I noticed the difference on this so far is how quiet it is. It's actually pretty quiet. Oh, it's blinking, so it's about ready to to end here pretty soon. Let's see how much longer it stays on. Let's see what happens. Sometimes they drop out of the sky, sometimes they emergency land. Oh, that's it. It just landed. Alright.
Holy cow, guys, I cannot believe it. My final thoughts on this. I love it. This is my new nano drone. I wish it was acro because it'd be amazing. But anyways, I got 7 minutes of fly time on this bad boy. Now that was the first charge, so it may change after that. But it's very fun, easy to use. I like the fact that they changed the stunt button to a button instead of using the controller sticks. So yeah, all in all, I'd say it's great. You guys saw it. It's got three rates on it. It did great. So if you liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to share it. Come check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Links will be in the description below. If you need to get hold of us for any reason, there is an email address, and that'll be in the description below. And don't forget, guys, just keep droning.